Okay guys, so today, as I said in my other video, I'm sick today and I'm going to be showing you my slime. So here's a white slime. Okay guys, so let me get my wonky set up here. No, that's not going to work. So, okay, yeah, no, but I'm just going to hold my phone. But here's my white slime. Okay guys, hold on a second. You're not going to see anything for just a second. Okay guys, so that did not work how I wanted it. I'll be right back, guys. Again, be right back. Okay guys, I'm back. So. It's not working how I wanted to, guys, so sorry if that wasn't satisfying to listen. Okay guys, so let's look at my next slime. So, let me get my lid on this. So, do-do-do-do-do. Okay guys, so my next slime is gonna be this white slime. There's like a lot in here, and it's like really jiggly slime. Like, guys, look at this. Just look at it. I'm gonna try something I've never tried before. Yeah, no, that ain't gonna work. Okay guys, that did not work like I wanted it to. That was a very bad idea. slime is kind of sticky, so let's activate it. We are Disney Princess Girls, styling up the world. We are Disney Princess Girls, styling up the world. We are the worst haircut in the world. It's not uneven at all. Here, let me fix it for you. Oh, no, it's not uneven. Don't worry. There, you don't want it too short, right? Nope, not too short, just a little trim. Is that good? A little more. Your hair just fell out. Just a little trim. Like that? A little more. That good? More. 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 You have no hair left because you kept telling me more, more, more. Is that it? No, more, more, more. That's legit all the hair you have. Chop all of it off. Okay, guys, I'm getting a little too much. I'm just going to show you my next slime. I'm going to show you my purple crunchy slime now. I mean, it's not too crunchy, but it's not, I mean, okay guys, let me show you my next slime. I'm going to show you my light blue slime, light blue slime, light blue, light blue, light blue. sorry if I'm not talking a lot. I just don't. I mean, yes, I'm filming a video and I don't feel like talking. I know, weird, right? Sorry. Okay, my last slime. Comment down below if I've already showed you this slime, but if I have, sorry. But it's the only one that I have with the blue lid. Okay, guys. I'm going to be doing something that you've never seen. Well, it's actually, you've probably seen it before, but yeah. So Guys, I'm being weird and I'm making a concoction. That was a lot. By concoction, I mean something I'm never doing again. Be right back, guys. Or I don't even have to leave my room because I have paper right here. Okay, guys, so, I'll be right back. Okay, guys, I'm back and I'm getting nachos and cheese from my mover.